सत्य न्याय का पंथ हमारा है, कर्तव्य हमारा प्यारा। सत्य न्याय का पंथ हमारा है, कर्तव्य हमारा प्यारा। माता पिता का मान करें, गुरुओं का हम मान बढ़ाए। माता पिता का मान करें, गुरुओं का हम मान बढ़ाए। शिव स्वामी कलालयागे बच्चे हम आनंदनतन गणपतिं बापये। आनंदनतन गणपतिं बापये। चिदानंदनतन गणपतिं बापये। मूलाधार ओंकार गणपतयं परमं परमानंदनतन गणपतिं बापये।
And as jokingly told us, he received his best birthday gift on his 25th birthday, part of Kalalaya, a travel consultant, and son of Sri S.T. Vanchinadan, former honorary joint secretary of our society. I request our principal in charge, Srimati M.S. Jayashree, to present an active member of INTAC and an author of many books, during which the school gained visibility and strength. Mrs. Lalita Jayaraman, who as vice principal was an able deputy to Vasanthi ma'am and later took over as principal of the state board of our school when it was set up.